Hey guys, this is Danielle WTI here, and I am wearing this hat. It looks like a normal hat. On the back, it's even got a cool pattern, if you can see that. But this hat is not a normal hat. This is meant for high ponytails, low ponytails, whatever you want. So I'm going to show you the back here, what it looks like. So you can choose to have your ponytail all the way at the top, all the way at the bottom, however you choose. Personally, I have curly hair, so I sleep with my hair up and pineapple it as high as I can. So when I wake up and do my morning workout, I want to be able to put my ponytail in once again as high as I can. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. And I'm going to show you with a different hat pattern also. So although this awesome pattern does not match with my outfit, I wanted to show you how I put my hair in this. So I said you can do a low ponytail. So if I was to do a low ponytail, I could put it here, and I can choose whatever area fits best on my head. So I just picked the lowest setting of the ponytail, and this is how it fits. But I'm also gonna make my ponytail higher for you guys so you can see, like, that's a great option. You saw how it looked on me with a lower ponytail. I personally think a higher ponytail and hats looks a lot better on me. So I'm gonna show you how this, I'm pulling it through the back. Super simple, kind of tuck in, and it's awesome. It looks awesome. My hair looks fuller. Truly, I am in love with this company and this hat. It's just great. This is how it looks underneath. But I feel like the hat looks so much better on my head this way. I highly recommend this company, and that is my point of view.